Hello, I'm so excited you're here because today I'm going to share a sneak peek straight from inside our Google Groupies membership vault. This is your chance to get a taste of the time-saving, smart strategies and everyday skills that can help you feel more confident navigating your digital space. Google Groupies has educational content for a wide variety of Google apps, and today we're going to focus on this one. Let's dive into today's preview. Hello, this is Amy with Clutter Care, and today I'd like to tell you all about Google Meet. It is like Zoom. It is a video conferencing app, but you can access it through your other Google apps, and it is free with your Google account, so you don't need to pay for another option. So I would like to show you today how to get to it on your computer. There's another video about how to get to it on your phone. The easiest place to find it is in your Gmail. If you have the newer Gmail icon set up on the left, notice that Meet is one of them. And if I click on it, I can start a new meeting right here. I can start a new meeting. I can join a meeting that already exists. The other way to find it is if you're in your Gmail and you go to these 9 dots here, and you can find the Meet app and just click that. And again, it opens a very similar window. You can start a new meeting, enter a code or nickname for the meeting, and we will just click new meeting. Now there are some options. I can create a meeting to be used later, and if I do that, I'll get a code that I can copy and then paste somewhere else. So I could send that in an email, I could send it in a text message. Another option is to start an instant meeting, which means that I'm going to be in a meeting right away, immediately. Here I am. And now, once I'm in the meeting, I can add others here by inviting them with a phone number or an email address. And again, I could also copy the joining info and paste it. If I get out of here, I'm going to return to the home screen for Google Meet. If I go to make another new meeting, one of my options is to schedule it in Google Calendar. And right here, it starts a new event, which we know about from Google Calendar. And I can say test meet number 2, and it's going to go from 11:30 to 12 today. And notice that Google Meet is already here. All the information is already in here. If I just save it, it is on my calendar for right here, test meet number 2, and I've got the information right in here. If I open it up and look, again, I can go ahead and join that meeting immediately. Now, if I invite some guests, let's go try that, and I'll invite my other self to that, and I save it, they are going to get an email about that so that they can join from there as well. I can open the Google Meet here. So if I go to my personal email, notice invitation test meet number 2, and I can open that up and I can see a lot of information. I can reply yes, maybe, or no that I can come, and the Google Meet link is directly in this email. I can also find it on my calendar, test meet number 2. Again, I can reply yes, no, or maybe, and my meet info is in the invitation automatically. That is just a small taste of what's waiting for you inside Google Groupies, the ultimate membership for anyone who wants to transform chaos into clarity. If you're tired of feeling stuck or confused with Google Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Sheets, or tasks, and you're ready to feel more in control of your digital world, I've got you. Click the link in the description to join the Google Groupies membership and get instant access to a library of self-paced video lessons, biweekly live support calls for your real-time questions, and a welcoming, supportive community of people just like you who want to learn, explore, and feel confident using Google tools. So go ahead, hit that link and join us inside. I'll see you there.